today,
That's
Carson.
fine.
Yeah.
Also, rain's on the way.
Yes, it is.
More of it.
Yeah, more of it. So,
poet.
heavy rain. Monday we had heavy rain today's Tuesday, right?
You know, it's hard to determine what
Tuesday,
what day
January
it is.
23rd.
There we go. Thank you.
All right, Casey, I think it's because Neil's here because he lived in the Pacific Northwest for a while and he's used to this.
Exactly. Yes, his comfort zone.
So it was colder.
Yes, it was. But luckily, we've been in the upper 50s and lower 60s, so we don't have to deal with any of that ice.
There you go.
But we do have to deal with the rain. This is the heaviest rain event that we have seen so far in 2024. It may end up being the heaviest rain event. But again, we've got some wet pavement in Longview there. That's because we've already seen about 5 inches of rain over the last couple of days, and we will continue to see more as we move into tomorrow. 61 degrees, winds are out of the northeast at 6 miles per hour. Temperature-wise, we are in the 50s and 60s. Lufkin's at 65. It is 64 in Nacogdoches, 64 in Crockett, 61 in Athens. And as we look at the flood watch, this does go until 6 o'clock on Wednesday. Our central eastern counties are included in it, but our western counties aren't. But as we look at live Viper radar, folks, it is a mess in deep East Texas right now. Look at this. Angelina, Nacogdoches, San Augustine, Sabine, and Shelby counties all under a flash flood warning. Now, we'll go ahead and enhance the radar, and it's pretty heavy rain, folks, and it continues to add up. We are seeing some bowing segments in this storm, and that might mean some stronger winds heading towards the lake right now, but the leading edge of this line of storms is from Pineland to Hemphill up to Toledo Bend there, and then as we look further off to the north, we are seeing a band of heavy rain. There was a flash flood warning for good reason in Harrison County earlier today, but that's no longer the case. But you can see along Highway 79 near Panola, Elysian Fields, DeBerry, these showers continue to push further off to the east. Now, as we look at Futurecast, we will continue to see some bands of rain, especially in deep East Texas. But with what I showed you on Live Viper radar, we really have not seen a lot of rain to the west over the last hour. Now, we did see a lot of rain this morning, don't get me wrong, but we can see another band around 1 o'clock tomorrow morning. We should get a break at 7, but more rain is on the way as we head into tomorrow afternoon. This is noontime. You can see some rain filling in. The heaviest rain is going to occur in the places that have already seen the heavy rain. Deep East Texas sees some more training of showers and thunderstorms or a lot of rain in a short amount of time. We continue to see that rain through 6 o'clock, and then as we head into Wednesday night and early Thursday morning, still tracking those showers, and then they'll begin to move out, and then we will dry out. So the excessive rainfall outlook for today, it is a moderate threat of flash flooding. This is ultimately verified because we have seen a lot of reports of that. And then as we look at the next 7 days, we will continue to see some rain tomorrow, 64 Thursday, decent rain chances Friday night, not during the day Friday. I do think we remain dry through at least Friday evening, but it's after the sun sets. That will be your best chance of rain. It comes to an end early Saturday, and then we will be dry Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Deep East Texas, heavy rain at times Wednesday, and then we'll be tracking some showers late Friday night. Neil, Casey.
Happy 18th.
There we go.
Plus 10, the 10th anniversary.
The 10th anniversary of 18. Okay.
Yes.
All right, love that. All right, coming up, he is one of the most beloved Texas Rangers of all time, and today he became a first ballot Hall of Famer, Garrett.